get up on the top. There you go.
Watch out, right next to it.
Yeah. Dale.
Mr. Roman is on. Yeah, so I should have bet you. I had a feeling it would be him first.
What's the matter, Roman? Get him in here.
I just want to keep it.
Ah.
Oh, dang.
Oh, that's bad.
That cut deep, bro.
Yeah, that's that was a hard bruise.
Oh, it's a little guy.
Yeah, but you got shoulder.
Kind of his drag a little bit.
Okay, that's what that.
It's a good start, though.
Ahora sí, go ahead and open up your bill. Guys, Roman caught our first one right here. 22.5. Look at that, guys.
Roman's got to give him a kiss.
Buddy, we were looking for you. We have a dinner date. Yeah, it's dinner date. You're on the menu, bud.
Oh, that's a red.
Yeah, that's all right.
There you go, Georgie. You woke me up. I was falling asleep.
Yeah, me too.
All right, grab the net here.
24, 25.
Oh, yeah? That's
Yeah.
what it is?
Yeah.
Vamos a ver. Ooh, there's another one you spooked right there. Look, big old red fish. You see it?
No, I'm over
Right
here.
next to yours.
Was
Big
it?
Yeah, it was a big red.
No.
Bigger than yours. I'm telling you, I saw it.
He's got a little feisty in him.
When that way.
I'm trying. I thought.
Uh-oh. Don't lose them,
Ahí
George.
está, ahí está.
Yeah, that was a big one right next to that guy. Hold on. Good job, sir.
About time.
Yeah, you spooked a big one right next to it. That's a nice species.
All right, guys, what George is doing right here is really important. And remember to do this if it ever happens to you. So what he's doing right now is what they call burning the line. Whenever your line gets really, you get a knot or whatever the case is, and you have to undo that knot in the braid, which is a wind knot. You need to throw it out as far as you can and apply some pressure to the braid and reel it in with some pressure. So when it comes into your spool, you have tension at all times and it's not loose anywhere in it. But it just so happens that George ended up catching a redfish or hooking a redfish. And Daisy brought the redfish in. Check it out.
All I wanted to do was just burn the line. So I cast it out and bring it back in tight. That's a red. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Red. Yeah? There you go. She's like,
Hardly that would be here, but I tell you, George.
yeah.
It's gonna be a good one too.
Check out, dude, way out there, bro, because I just landed. And my whole thing, the whole thing was that I just wanted her to burn the line. Así lo hizo, because she's gonna probably have to run that way. You're gonna have to follow him around. All right? If he starts running to the back, you go to the back. Yes.
Yeah.
She's right here close.
Go to the back. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's a good one. And it's got seaweed on it, hopefully. That's why it feels heavier. Here, let me bring in my line over
No,
here.
it's just heavy.
No, but she's got a lot of seaweed on it. But it's a good red. It's a really nice one. There you go. There you go. Go around. Put the rod over. The rod over. The rod over. There you go. There you go. Bring him this way. Bring him this way. Pull. You're good. You're good right there. Just bring them this way, away from the motor. No, no, no.
Away from me.
No, move them this way. Move them this way. Move back. Move back.
Walk back, man. Yeah, no, stop reading. Stop reading.
Right there. You're good right there. Good.
Okay, open up the bell. A little bit. Ándale, ahí está. Ahora sí, bájate por el medio.
Good job. You see? Told you they were here. How big is that one, George?
I don't know, but it's heavy.
Has a lot of seaweed on it.
25 and a half. 25 and 3/4. Mira, otro. Smaller guy. Not bad at all. Look at that. Small guy. Oh, it came off, I think.
That's a small guy. Oh, it came off, I think. Yeah, it came off. Never mind, guys. False alarm. Or is he on? Oh, he's on. It's a catfish.
Good luck on that one.
Yeah, it's a catfish. Dude, you gotta relax. You're pooping all over me.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got my glove on. Easier to handle. There's some bigger ones in here. I know they are.
Yeah, there's a ray right there. I just seen him. No, Luis,
That one? When you called it, I was already feeling them on my line. That's why I didn't respond. I said quiet because I was waiting for it. Doesn't feel like a big guy yet. A good 23. Running out right. My first red of the day. Ooh, look at that dude. Run, buddy. Should I loosen up the drag just to see him run?
Just to see him run?
See how far you can go?
Yeah.
I got it, George.
You got it?
Bro.
Oh, you're a pro now, huh?
Oh, that's a nice little redfish.
Not a little.
Hey, little guy.
22, 23.
I got it. I do it on the kayak, bro.
Okay.
It's just you got to do a backhand like this. Well, if I can get him. Come here, brother. Oh. Skills, George. Skills. Skills. Wow.
Tough skills.
Yeah. Oh, he swallowed it too. Oh, he's a bleeder. The other one looked what? Better, you said?
Fatter.
Fatter? You hear that, bro? He's talking about you. Say it to his face. Say it to his face.
You're as skinny as I am, buddy.
All right, let's see. Yeah, this was a 24 and a quarter. 24 and a quarter. Huh? Yeah.
You got the lead right now. 25 and 3/4. I told you I put my money on it.
You're beating everybody with catfish.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, there was a trophy for that.
I'm Captain Catfish.
That was fun. You know what I wasn't doing the whole day? I wasn't spraying it with the garlic.
What were you doing?
And then nothing, I was just throwing it. And then I found the little garlic bottle right here by your little hole. And I sprayed it.
What?
That little hole right there. It almost went in there again. And I sprayed it. And second cast, I got one real quick. But the whole day I wasn't spraying it. I was lazy.
Pick your rod up. Got very loose. I think he's got it in his mouth. Yeah.
Red? There you go.
Yeah, it's a red.
Good job, sir.
Keep your rod tip up, bro.
I have it up.
Nah, it's a cat. It's a big ass cat. Yeah, he's head shaking too much.
Right, George? Drugs loose or what?
Not that I know of, but I think he's running this way and then turning back the other way. He was head shaking way too much. Unless it's a very small red.
Redfish.
Yeah. I got it. I got it. I got it.
A good 20 inches.
He is.
The red?
Is it a red or is it head shaking?
No, it's not head shakes.
Yeah?
No head shakes.
Yeah. Doesn't want to play? Bring him this way. Bring him this way.
What's up, brother?
Hey, what's up?
Nice to meet you. Hugo.
You're the self-made YouTuber, no?
Set fishing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. After about 6 hours of fishing today, you know, we started off kind of slow. From what we heard a lot from the other captains, a lot of guys were having issues today. I know some of them got skunked out. Some of them got one fish. It was a pretty slow day for all of us, I think. But at the end of the day, we went to a couple of different spots. 3 different spots that George knows that never fails, and we ended up catching the 2-man limit for Roman here in Daisy. Roman was the raffle winner from the last raffle that George did in his Facebook page. And if you're not following George, Captain George Erosa on Facebook, make sure you do so you're able to kind of get in there for the raffles. So you have an opportunity to come out here on the boat and experience this, the fishing trip. But George thought this one was a catfish, and this one was a catfish. No, this one was a catfish. So George caught 2 big catfish today. Congratulations, George, on your big catfish.
No, she caught it.
Oh, she caught this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
One of these other ones was.
But that's pretty much about it, guys. I'll let Roman and Daisy talk a little bit about how their experience was and see what they had to say. I know they didn't speak a lot during the fishing trip, so we'll see if they speak now.
We were pulling teeth.
See if you want to say anything, Roman. Super camera shot.
Yeah, we had a good time with Captain George. He put us on the fish. It was tough, but we got it done.
All right, cool. Anything else, George?
That's it, guys. Stop by the shop, pick up some of those ballyhoo bites.
All right, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.